and welcome to episode 7 of Good Guys Garage. Luke's Man Cave, no? Luke's Man Cave here at Good Guys Garage. So in this episode there is a lot going on, so ready for Sunday morning. We're going to finish the interior. I've got Man coming to two-stage polish the exterior. He's going to detail the interior. Hopefully I've got Elliot coming, he's going to sort out the panel gaps with me. It's going to be a car at the end of this episode. Won't be driving yet, wait for H to get back off of holiday so he can sort me out a prop shaft, but we might start it up tomorrow. That would be good, wouldn't it? Hear the roar because the exhaust is outside. That's not going to go on till tomorrow, till the prop shaft is done. The exhaust is pretty much last. Fingers crossed. Stay tuned, like and subscribe.
I'm ready.
Episode 7. I'm just trying to get a few things prepped before the man gets here to detail it, like get the window in so he doesn't splash compound all over the inside of the car. I am genuinely excited for it though. It's gonna look like a car by the end of it kind of looks like a car now, but it will look like a car. Actually look like a car. I might roll it out in the sunshine. It's due to be sunny today, and we'll have a good look around the car. We can see how nice it is. Oh, it's gonna look like a car. Rear window is going in. Bolts in my pocket. If you're owning this car right now and you're watching this video, I hope you appreciate all of the work that's gone into this.
1500 grip on the DA. It's a small orbital, means it squiggles less and it will do less damage if it picks up. Just taking out the high bits. Then we do the same with 3000 grip. And then it's ready for Alex to polish. This is Alex, you would have seen him fucking polish it away. He has done a spectacular job. You can see Alex's work at Instagram.
Yeah.
Instagram at
Alex Sexy Detailing.
Alex Sexy Detailing.
Sexy. That's my name.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
And so talk us through real quick what you've done.
So after it was flat and polished, I've just done like a heavy compound over the surface of it, and then with a hard pad, I've gone over everything like that. I've got two machine polishes, like a big one and a small one, so I can get in the crevices, and then gone over with a fine cut and polish, like finishing polish. And it just brings it up and makes it like that.
I mean, you might not be able to see, you will do when we get it in the sun, but this is a fantastic job. Alex has really pulled it out of the bag here. I am so impressed. He's turned what was an okay car into fucking outstanding territory. Like, I am so impressed. It really is good. Really is good. Everybody's done such a fantastic job with it. We're just waiting on a couple of hours labour, sorting all the panel gaps and stuff, and then I can throw some front end together. It'll look like a car, it'll be like a car, it'll sound like a car, it'll drive like a car. You know what? It might be a car. Might be a car. Thank you, Alex. Hey, so this brings episode 7 to a conclusion. We can tick some shit off. We have manual conversion. Tick. ECU. Tick. Thanks to Dan. Engine is in. Steering rack, we can go for a purple tag. Rear subframe's in, but we're going to put another one in. Doors. Tick. Wings. Tick. Welding. Tick. We've done quite a lot. We've done quite a lot. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, bang a comment in there. Tell me how wrong I'm doing it, and suggest some wheels. I'm undecided on what wheels I want to fit.